Hello everyone, Jonathan with Excel Bets, and I have a tutorial video for you today. We've got MLB season in full swing, full slate of games today, so I'm going to pull up a one-time purchase MLB top-down EV model here at excelbets.com and walk you through how to use it and hopefully find some bets for you. So we go to excelbets.com, you go over to the store, and we can toggle to the baseball section. We've got both an Excel and a Google Sheets version here. We're going to select the Google Sheets version. When you download it, it's going to bring up a PDF to give you a link to the model itself. It's going to be in a view only mode. So you go up here to File and make a copy. That way you can have an editable version here. It's pretty simple. And what we're going to do is we're going to sign up for a free subscription to GamedayMath.com. Link in the description. And from there, you can go over to My Account and you can select your sportsbooks. And this is the critical piece of the top-down model. Your top book, you get up to 5 to select, will be your Sharp book, the one you're going to be DVIGing against. I'm going to select no vig. It's a very sharp peer-to-peer platform. And I've got 4 retail books that we're going to line shop against: BetMGM, DraftKings, Caesars, and The Score. You can select whatever books you want. You get up to 5 total. 1 for your Sharp book and the 4 for your line shopping. Once you have that set up, you'll go over to the odds tab, and we're looking at MLB, and we've got it broken out by money line, spread, and total tabs here. We'll start with the money line. So we've got a full slate of games, and what you want to do is just copy from the date and just drag those down to the last odds. Do a Control-C to grab those values. Then we'll go to our model and we'll go to the Moneyline Odds tab. You can highlight the columns and do delete. And then we'll go over here to paste data starting in B1. So Control V, and then it says paste values only. We do that. The full games copied in there. And then we'll go over to our Moneyline tab to see if there's any plus EV bets, and they would highlight in blue if that's the case. You can see we've got nothing highlighted in blue, so that means right now we don't have any plus EV bets. But don't worry, we'll go over to our spread tab and we'll do the exact same exercise. Grab them all, Control-C, copy back to our, now we're going to the handicap tab, Control-V, paste values only. And then we'll see if anything comes through on the spread line. Nothing showing up now. And then we'll do one final look here. Go to totals. It's the same thing. So this is giving you an option to line shop against over 12.5 different sporting events, and really simple 3 copy paste. And you can see we do have 2 highlighted values. We can also update the books we want. So we did no vig as our Sharp book. And then we go up here, we can just make sure that's consistent. BetMGM, DraftKings, Caesars, and The Score. This just allows you to know what books you have in what order, and that'll feed into the spread and the total tab. So we've got Caesars 8.5 minus 105. We devigged versus no vig, and that's actually coming out to a fair odds of minus 109. So if we go over, drop down here and select Caesars, it's going to give us the Kelly criterion of the optimal bet size. So almost a 2% EV play, which is a really nice EV play, a 90 bets size, or basically a half a unit based on a 10,000 bankroll or a 200 unit size. And you can adjust those per your bankroll. We go down to the Yankees. We've got the score bet, flagging that as plus EV. We had no vig at plus 107, minus 116. We devig that using the equal margin method. We get plus 111, minus 111. So minus 110 is longer odds than minus 111. That's an EV bet. We select the score bet. So much smaller EV play, 0.5%, almost a $30 bet to get a plus EV bet down there. And you can do this throughout the day. All it is 3 drop-ins to the money line, handicap, and odds in the total tab, and it's going to feed that through for your line shopping to be able to see where your plus EV plays are. Really simple, one-time purchase option, and you can completely sign up for free at GamedayMath, and this is all available for purchase on excelbets.com. So hopefully I made this real simple for anybody who's looking to get started in EV sports betting and you want a one-time purchase option. Check out all the models I have available on excelbets.com. If you're looking for a subscription top-down EV platform, GamedayMath, we have both a Sharp and Plus tier. So I am a part owner of the GamedayMath platform. So if you have any questions regarding that and want to get into a subscription-based model, highly encourage you to look at GamedayMath. But if you're looking for a one-time purchase, that's where Excel Bets comes into play. Get you started, allow you to build up a bankroll, and then you can expand to a subscription model later on. Otherwise, best of luck with MLB season. A lot of different options for you, tons of games throughout the season, and be able to get some bets down whenever basketball season and football season aren't live. So thank you for watching, and God bless.